You know, normally when DJI has a product landing, there's always this sea of pre-order bundles, individual items, optional extras, and it can get kind of confusing trying to figure out what's actually needed and what's an extra. Well, thankfully, Jasper Ellens just dropped what looks like the accessory pricing for the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, and it looks like DJI might be making things a bit simpler this time around. Now, a couple of caveats. First off, we don't have the exact prices for the actual Mini 5 Pro combos just yet. We do know that there will be two versions, as usual, the standard combo and the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller. But looking at these prices, it looks like DJI might be lowering the cost of the flight time upgrades, making them a lot more tempting. The standard intelligent flight battery dropped from $99 to $69, roughly 30% cheaper. The Plus battery went down from $145 to $90. That one gives you longer flight time, but yep, it does push the drone over the 249G limit, so keep that in mind. Still, for spares and replacements, that's a solid saving. Now let's talk about the other options. The charging hub, well, that stayed pretty much the same at $49. ND filters also look like a decent deal at $55 for the set. Now, a quick note here. The filter strengths aren't listed, but I did notice that the Mini 5 kit mentions ND8, 32, and 128, where the Mini 4 Pro set was ND16, 64, and 256. So the filter strengths aren't a direct match. Propellers, though, ouch, they've gone up a bit. It's $99 for a set on the Mini 5 Pro compared to $9 on the Mini 4 Pro. Maybe it's a new quick-release system or better materials, but either way, they cost more. The same goes for the Propeller Guard. On the Mini 4 Pro, the guard alone was $29, but for the Mini 5, it's $69. To be fair, though, that does include both the guard and propellers. Then there's Care Refresh. The 1-year plan seems to be about the same, but the 2-year coverage for the Mini 5 is actually cheaper than what we saw on the Mini 4 Pro. Could be a retailer-specific thing, or maybe DJI just wants to make the upgrade path a little smoother this time around. So overall, it feels like DJI is shifting the cost balance. Things that break easily like props and guards are pricier, but the bigger ticket items like batteries and hubs are more affordable. Makes sense if they want people to invest in flight time upgrades instead of holding back. But remember, all of this is based on leaked pricing. Nothing's official until DJI lists it on their store. So, take it as likely, but not guaranteed. Anyway, that's the rundown on the leaked Mini 5 Pro accessory prices. If you want to stay in the loop on all the latest drone leaks and rumors, just tap subscribe. It's free, and it helps us make the best content we can. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. See ya.